In this video, you'll see how to run a job through the interactive Jupyter Notebook in the My Notebook section. So I have my file here. It's a business logic. Read some files from Parquet in S3 and then apply some SQL codes on it, which is some basis logics on pricing using Bodo SQL, followed up by some Python or Pandas operations to read another flat file and then merge it with the results of the SQL output. So all you need to do to run a job in Jupyter Notebook is to make sure you have this magic %%px. It stands for parallel execution, and then attach it to a cluster in Bodo, and then click on run. It will run the job. It will take a few seconds, and then once it's done, you will see the results. It prints execution time of 27 seconds, and it displays the outputs per core. You see that there are 8 cores here in this cluster, and each core is returning the results. Thank you.